Hey everyone, and welcome to our very first home tour of 2022. Come on in. I'm here at the Terra Serena Luna gated community here in Milpitas. It's a beautiful gated community of condos. This unit was built in 2007 and it's a beautiful community located near BART. You have that whole mall right here, which is the Great Mall. You have access to the freeway, all the tech companies around here. It's a wonderful location, and this particular community has a ton of amenities. Now inside, as you can tell, it's a nice and open floor plan. It's a 2-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,259 square foot unit. And this home has all of the modern amenities. And what I really like about this place is that not only is it nice and open, you have really high ceilings. So you feel kind of like the space, you feel like you don't feel claustrophobic like in some condominiums. The kitchen faces the family area where, you could cook and talk to your friends sitting here in the family room, supervise the kids playing. Whatever it is you're doing, you just feel at home here. One of the things that I like about this particular unit also is that you have bedrooms on either side. So it's a nice split floor plan so that if you have guests over, you could have them have their privacy. If you have kids, they can rest or play, and you could still be in your room and you have that distance when you need it. Guest room is nice and spacious. You have a lot of natural light just coming in, and this unit also has both of the bedrooms have walk-in closets. Here in the master bedroom, as you can tell, it's quite spacious. They have their little office set up, and you definitely can fit a king-size bed with big side tables if needed. You have room for a crib if you needed it, or extra storage. There's plenty of room to be had here. And then if you walk into the master bath, you have 2 sinks side by side. You have a nice big tub, which would be great to relax, or if you're bathing the kids, plenty of room. And you still have a very large shower. This home has it all. You have location, you have space, you have great amenities, which is what you look for when living in a condo community. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video, guys. As always, I would appreciate it if you like, subscribe, and share it with your friends and colleagues. If you have any further questions, please don't hesitate to reach out. If you're looking to buy or sell your place here in the coming year, please reach out. I am here to answer any of your questions, and I will see you on the next one. Take care.